Hello, my name is Victor and I'm going to be a speaker at the Youth Forum of the main event of the Green Transition Forum 6.0. And since I'm in the Faculty of Economics and Business Administration, I wanted to talk a little bit about economics and more specifically about this green transition that we're all talking about. Why are we using so many buzzwords nowadays like green transition, green energy, renewable energy resources, ESG standards, ecology, environmentalism, global climate change? In order to understand the significance of this pivotal moment in history that we're currently going through, we need to look at global history and the energy transitions that have happened in order to assess this importance of the moment that we're currently in. Let's start with the first transition that happened, and this is the primeval revolution. This is when humans discovered fire. This happened roughly 1 million to 400,000 years ago. This was the period when humans learned to control fire, they could cook foods, stay warm and survive longer. Fire gave us more energy and helped humans evolve. Then came in the agricultural revolution, which happened about 10,000 years ago in the Fertile Crescent in Mesopotamia, which is modern-day Iraq. People stopped only hunting and gathering. They started farming, using animals like horses and oxen for work. For the first time, humans could produce food and energy at a much larger scale. Villages became cities and civilizations were born. Then in the mid-18th century in England happened the Industrial Revolution, which also introduced modern-day capitalism. This was the time when we discovered how to use coal and steam. The Industrial Revolution changed the world. Factories, trains and steamships suddenly gave humanity more power than ever before. Then in the late 19th century we discovered how to use oil, gas and how to harness the power of electricity on a large scale. We started inventing cars, airplanes, lights, computers. Modern-day life was built on these new forms of energy. Then in the mid-20th century, we discovered how to split the atom. This was the nuclear revolution. Nuclear power introduced an incredibly dense source of baseload electricity that emitted no greenhouse gases during operation. While it grew rapidly for a few decades, its trajectory slowed due to high capital costs, safety concerns and political opposition. Now the modern day energy transition that we're going through is this green transition. This is the period at which we are decarbonizing our economies and we're focusing more on renewable energy resources such as solar, wind, water, etc. So if you want to learn more about the period that we're going through right now, come join us at our Green Transition Forum 6.0. We'll see you there.